Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I'll be showing you how you can make money online from this particular platform. Showing on the screen is the platform. As you can see, the website uses a security service to protect against malicious bots, and as you can see right here, this platform is secured. Now all you have to do is just verify that you're human, and once it's verified, you can go ahead and continue with the process from this platform. Now I'll be showing you how you can get started with this platform and how you can make money directly from this platform. Now the first thing you need to do is to create an account with them. As you can see, all you have to do is just click on sign up right here. You have to sign up so that you'll be able to register an account with them and get started on how you can make money from this platform. Now the first thing you're going to do is to input your email address. As you can see right here, you input your email address showing on the screen. Then after that, after inputting your email address, you have to click on this icon right here. You click on this icon, this time icon, this clock icon right here, to get your verification code. You have to click on it to get your verification code. Once you tap on it, your verification code will be sent to you. It will be sent to you, and all you have to do is just come directly here and paste the verification code that it will be sent to your email. As you can see, then after that you create your password and then you click on sign up. Also, very importantly, you have to use my referral code. You'll be using my referral code right here. My referral code will be in my Telegram channel. As you can see, to get this particular account, make sure you use my referral code and it will be displayed in my Telegram channel. Now let's head to how we can get this account. So once you sign up, the next thing you're going to do is to log in to your dashboard. So this is me after I've logged into my dashboard. As you can see right showing on the screen, this platform is all about BTC and ETH. As you can see, it's all about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now I'll be showing you how you can get started on this particular platform. Now make sure you follow me closely so you don't miss out on this step. Now the first thing you need to know on this platform is how you can make a deposit on this platform. Now to make my own deposit, I'll be showing you how I went ahead to add my own deposit on this platform. Now the first thing you need to do now is to come here and click on mine. Right here, you have to click on mine. Then after clicking on mine, you go ahead and click on top up. As you can see right here on the screen, you click on top up right here. Now you're going to click on top up, and here you can either use your TRC20 USDT or your ERC20 USDT. Then you can go ahead and click on any amount that you want to be recharging. Right here, I'll be clicking on 500, as you can see. Then after that, you click on top up, and all you have to do is just copy the wallet address. You copy the wallet address, go ahead to make your recharge. Then you copy your transaction ID or your payment address, come back here, you paste it, and then you click on confirm. And trust me, your deposit will be credited immediately. You don't have to worry about getting credited in your account. So now I'll do mine now and get back to the screen. So this is me after I've made my deposit on this platform. As you can see, I've made a video concerning this platform before, and here I am doing it again. So now these are the things that you need to know concerning this platform. As you can see right here, you have your BTC here, you have your Ethereum right here, you have your spot start, and you have your gain start. These are the 4 major things that you need to know concerning this platform. Now, but I'll be focusing on the BTC right here. This is what we'll be focusing on. So all you have to do is just click on it right here. You click on it, and this is the account that we'll be focusing on. Now the thing you need to know concerning all this is the calculator system right here. This platform here provides a 8-stage strategy for you, a 8-stage strategy that you need to follow so that you don't get to make lots of losses on this platform. Now once you click on this calculator right showing on the screen, you click on it. There you will see the 8-stage strategy that you need to know concerning this particular platform. As you can see right here, 8 stage, and this particular calculator right here will guide you through everything that you need to know. Now this is the amount here you are going to input the amount that you have deposited on your platform. As you can see, you go ahead and click in whether it's 100, it will automatically calculate right here. The calculation is made. If it's 50 that you deposited right here, whatever it is, it will show right here. So now this is what you need to follow concerning this particular platform. As you can see here, you have your first stage, your second stage, your third stage, down to the eighth stage. Now these stages guides you in making losses on this platform. Now once you want to go ahead and trade on this platform, you have to input your first trade amount right here. Once you input on the message, the first stage, and you are able to pass the stage, then you can go ahead and you continue. But here is one thing I need you to notice on this platform. Once you make a loss from this first stage, you need to go ahead and move to the second stage right here. Then once you, let's assume that you make another loss, you move to the third one down to the eighth one. Now here is something that is very interesting about this particular platform. Once you are able to get down to the eighth stage right here, the platform will giving you a compensation for your loss. As you can see, that's what the 8-stage strategy is all about. It's a compensation mechanism. So once you get to the 8th stage, all you have to do is just reach out to the agent and they'll be giving you a compensation for your loss. So now after a successful trade, you proceed to the next round, starting from the first stage according to the latest signal from the signal group. So now I'll be talking about the signal group, but here I want to make emphasis on the 8-stage strategy. Now once you've generated your 8-stage strategy by the calculator and the trading amount for the second stage, so now this 8-stage trading strategy involves dividing the principal into 8 investment plans that can cover 8 trades in the signal group. As long as the least one prediction is successfully made within the 8th trade, all previous losses can be covered and additional profits can be realized. So this is basically what you need to know about this 8-stage strategy. And if any user incur losses due to trading based on this 8-stage signal, the agent will provide a 100% loss compensation plan for the 8th stage as guaranteed of the user's rights. Now this mechanism aims to provide all users with more robust risk protection. So now this particular 8th stage is just to protect you from risk. As you can see, now let's head to the main thing. The next thing you want to do now is to head to the signal group. You have to head to the signal group to get your predictions. As I said earlier, in the signal group they'll be giving you predictions that you need to know. Either you are going to be trading your big or your small or odd or even on this platform, as you can see right here. So now this is what the prediction groups looks like. As you can see right here, this is what it looks like. Here they will give you the prediction, they will tell you what you have to take, and they will be giving you your result, which is win. This is what the prediction group looks like. So you have to join this prediction group. All you have to do is just come here, take your prediction and go ahead and make the trade on the platform, and you can make your profits. First thing I'm going to do now is to head into the signal group and take the signal that is right for that moment, as you can see now. So this is how you basically take another one. You take big, as you can see right here, the last one was lost. So we are going to take big and we are going to increase the stake. As you can see right here, you click on trade and you click on purchase. So this is how you basically take trade on this particular platform. You take trade according to the prediction, then you move to the levels, the different stages on this platform. So I'm just going to patiently wait for it to trade, as you can see right here. Patiently wait. Then as you can see, I was able to make a win on this platform. So this is how you make wins on this platform. All you have to do is just follow the predictions on the signal group and you are good to go. These are the kind of informations that you'll be getting from this particular signal group, and as you can see right here, so for every trade that you take on the platform, this is what the information will be explained further in the signal group, so you have nothing to worry about. So now the other ways you can use to make money on this platform is by referral. So now to make referrals on this platform, all you have to do is just click on invite right here. click on invite. Then after that, you go ahead and copy your invite code right here. Copy your invite link, then you share to your friends and family. Now the more referrals you make on this platform, the more commission you get on this platform. As you can see right here, this is their commission stages on this platform. This is their commission stages. Now when you make referrals on this platform, these are the commissions that you'll be getting. Now to get to know the referrals that you make on this platform, all you have to do now is to click on team right here. You click on team right here. You click on team, and once you click on team, your team data will be showing right here. As you can see right here, all you have to do is just check in and your commissions will be entering right on this platform. Now to the better and the sweeter part of this platform, how to make withdrawals. Now to make withdrawals on this platform, all you have to do is just click on mine right here. You click on mine, then you click on withdraw. Now you have to bind your address first. You have to bind your address. So here either you'll be using your TRC20 or your ERC20. Now you put in your wallet address, get your verification code, and you click on confirm. Then after that, you go ahead and put in on the amount that you want to withdraw on this platform. Then you put in your payment address, and after that you click on withdraw. That is how you make withdrawals from this platform. Now I'll be dropping my own withdrawal proof on my Telegram channel, so please do well to head to my Telegram channel to check on my withdrawal proof to see that this particular platform is effective. Now this is all you need to know concerning this particular platform. Here, if you have any question, please do well to reach out to the agent. Their support is right here. And also do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this particular channel so you can get to be informed on more information and more updates, new updates that you need to know concerning Forex and deposit bonus, free funded account, and how you can make money online. See you in my next video. Bye.